This video is about table handling in HTML. In HTML, tables are used to represent content in proper format. Tables also helps to increase understanding of the presented information. Now let's start creating a table. For that, open Notepad or any other text editor. Now write down simple structure of the HTML page like HTML, head, title, etc. And then open body tag. Title here we are giving table. Now body tag. Now to insert table, the tag that we are using is table. Right now we are creating a simple table with 3 rows and 3 columns. Now after table tag, we are going to create row. So tr element creates row. So first tr represents first row. After tr, whatever number of columns we want, we will use td for each column. So after tr, we have inserted td element, that is first column of first row. Now td close, again second td we are using, it will become second column of first row. Now one more td in first row, this is third column of first row. Now we are closing tr element. Now same structure we are copying and pasting to create a second row. Now we are changing the content of column, that is instead of first we are writing second row first column, second row second column, second row and third column. So after td, whatever is written will be visible in individual cells of table. One more time we are copying and pasting the structure. Now in place of first, now we are writing third, since this is the third row. Now we have created 3 rows and 3 column table. Save this file. Write down name of the file. For example, we are giving table as file name .html, that is extension of an HTML file. We are saving it on desktop. Now it's time to see the output. Now locate the file, double click on the file. Now you can see the output. This is called seamless table. That means the table which is not having border. Since we have not used border attribute of the table, we will get seamless table. Now let's start using more attributes of table tag. So in table, leave one space and write down border is equal to some number. So here we are giving border attribute value 2. Now we are defining height and width of the table. So here 50% value represent 50% of the content window height, whereas 500 in width represent 500 pixels width. Border color attribute, it will create border around table and all cells, that is in blue color, cell spacing and cell padding. So cell spacing and cell padding will give distance between two adjacent cells and distance between text and cell border. Now save this file. Now we are going to see the output. Now again open that HTML file. Now you can see that blue border is applied to the table, and height and width of the table, whatever we have specified, for example height 50% and width 500 pixels, that is applied to the table. Now let's use few more attributes of table tag. Now after the last attribute, leave one space, type align is equal to, for example, center, so it will make the table centered in the window. So align attribute is having at values like left, right, center and justified. Now bg color, it will give background color to the table. So here we can use any hexadecimal code, or directly we can write name of color that we want in table background. Save the file and now open the HTML file to see the output. Now you can see the output here. You can see that table is having yellow background here, and the table is centered aligned in the window.